What's up, broskis? Welcome back to another video. I'm here with the Yonkis. Check it out. Got my car right here, and then we got Angel's car right here. But Angel blew the motor at our track day, so well, Angel blew his motor. Damn, we got oil all over the track. It's gonna be hard to clean up. It's gonna be slippery right here, way. Valió verga. Finally, no? It's like the third time coming out with the round nugget. Sad day, boys. Sad day. This car's just sitting right here, dying. Yep, she's all dirty. But right now I'm gonna head out to Orange County, and I'm gonna go see a G35 that I might pick up for Angel. So the guy in the post says that the car, basically the car's complete. It's missing a front end, and he started parting out some stuff. So as long as the motor is good, we don't really care about the transmission. He says that the tranny, it's automatic, and it's blown. So as long as the motor is good, I'm gonna buy it, and we're gonna use that motor for Angel's car. So I'm warming up the truck, and we're gonna head out right now, boys. I'm just waiting on my lady. My lady, she's gonna follow me. I mean, she's gonna come with me. All right, broski's pumping diesel. But check out that clean Sylvia right there. Damn, sexy. Alright, broskies, we're almost there. Says I gotta turn right here, but I hate these little roundabouts. Alright, we made it, boys. There she is. There's the purple right there. I'm scared. Car overall looks like shit, but sounds healthy. I'm gonna take it. No smokes, no nothing. Sounds beautiful. Yeah. Good, but it was funny because he threw it in neutral, and then it started going forward. So I don't know. Tranny's bad, but the engine sounds really healthy. Alright, broskies, we're taking it home. Alright, broskies, she's all loaded up. We're gonna take her home. Strip her all down, so if anybody needs parts, let me know. We're gonna pour out everything on it. So we're only keeping the motor for Angel's car, and then I might keep the axles and the diff, but I think just the axles. So fuck it, let's take her home, boys, and then we'll start taking her apart one of these days. All right, broskies, I just got home. I'm gonna load the G35 real quick, and then we got good news for the Corvette. So I just got a call that the paperwork for the car is good to go, so it's officially mine. I'll tell you guys a little bit later on, but yeah, we got the go, so we're gonna start building the Corvette. So I'm gonna take this car to my homie George. You guys seen him before. I towed a lot of Corvettes for him. He's gonna help me put it together, and I'll show you guys also the other Corvette that we have. We're gonna use all those parts for this car, so you guys will see right now. So right now I'm unload the G35 and then load up the little Tweety Corvette. So Let's get it, boys. Oh, I'm fucking excited. She's all loaded up, broskies. Hell yeah. JB Performance, here we come. She is, boys. Check out that fresh interior though. Pretty sick, pretty clean. Oh, I'm gonna take this because I need it. Check it out. Here's the other car. Here's my parts car. Check it out. See or no? Damn. That LS3 though. This one's blown, but we're gonna use all the parts, like all this shit, the radiator, the fuse panel, battery, ECU, everything. And then this one's manual. Fuck, I can't open it. But this car's manual, so mine's gonna be manual. Chingon, can't wait. Alright, broskies, we're here at a car meet. Brought my daughter to check out some cars.
Yeah.
Check them out.
Yeah. Yes, you don't mind. You don't love the car.
You want a picture? Okay, hold on. Acaban de llegar unos pinches fuckboys. Salud.
But those two did a sloppy ass job.
Compa Luis hooked me up with some sleeping pills. ¿Sí son o no? Vamos a poner bien pinche high a la verga, güey. ¿Yeah? CBD? CBD, Blackberry tea.
Is that your tea? ¿La motita?
Sí, güey.
A
Que
ver,
según para dormir, güey.
a ver, échame una pizza.
CBD, güey.
Can I open it? It's child-proof, huh?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
So everybody left. We do some desmadre right now.